Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to become dangerously confident without pretending to be someone you're not. Confidence isn't a personality trait reserved for extroverts. It's a skill, and like any skill, you can train it. The biggest mistake? Waiting to feel confident before taking action. Confidence actually comes after action. You don't become confident and then act. You act first, survive the discomfort, and your brain learns, I can handle this. When hesitation appears, use the 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move before your brain creates another excuse. Because hesitation gives fear time to grow. The more you think about doing something, the scarier it becomes. Want an instant confidence boost? Change your body. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, lift your head, and breathe slowly. And slow down. Nervous people rush. Confident people pause. You don't need to fill every silence. Breathe, pause, then speak. Here's the dangerous part. Stop making your confidence depend on approval. Not everyone needs to like you. Instead of asking, what will they think of me? Ask, what do I want to do? One question creates fear, the other creates control. Now train your confidence. Every day, do one small thing that makes you uncomfortable. That's where growth happens. Ask the question. Start the conversation. Give your opinion. Speak first. You don't need to feel ready. Every time you do something difficult, you collect evidence. Your brain starts realizing, I've done this before, and I'm still standing. Eventually, your identity changes. You stop saying, I need confidence. You start thinking, I'm someone who can handle difficult things. Remember the loop. Action creates discomfort. Discomfort creates experience. Experience creates evidence. Evidence creates confidence. So here's your challenge. For the next 5 minutes, stop thinking about confidence and start proving it. Take 5 breaths. Stand tall. Choose one thing you're avoiding. Take the smallest action possible. Then, notice what happens. Confidence isn't magic, it's proof. Move first, speak first, try first. Every small action tells your brain, I can handle this. Start now.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.